Welcome to Maintenance with Mel, my new series dedicated to helping both sellers and buyers maintain their home properly. So as we're getting into the cooler temperatures, I want to talk about getting your furnace serviced for the upcoming heating season. Typically, if you have a service plan with a local provider, your service plan should include an annual tune-up of your furnace to get it in good working order before heating season starts. The worst thing you can do is wait until you need to turn the heat on, only to find out that your furnace doesn't work. Panic, right? So your best time to call is usually in August to start scheduling those annual maintenances to make sure your furnace is working just fine. But I want to give you one pro tip. One thing that I see a lot when I tour homes or on home inspection reports is in order to keep your units working in top condition, and we want them working in top condition so that they last longer, right, is to regularly change your filter. Now, in my home, we have a lot of pets, so we change ours every 30 days, and I'm going to show you why. So here we have a brand new filter. You can see it's nice, clean, white, ready to go. This is our old filter. This is from 30 days of use because of the pets that we have in our home. So we change ours every 30 days. If you don't have a lot of pets, it's regularly recommended that you change your filter at least every 3 months or more as necessary to keep that running in tip-top shape. Your furnace needs air to be able to run in top condition, right? So where is the filter? Can we change it ourselves? Absolutely. Takes just a few seconds. So where is the filter located? If you follow me down, you're going to see that next to your furnace, you're going to have what we call the filter box is located right here. And all you do is simply, if you can grab it, take your filter out. On the side of the filter, there's going to be an arrow with a direction point. That arrow with the direction point should be facing your furnace. So at the very least, all you have to remember is face the furnace. The arrow faces the furnace. You simply slide it in. We have this little magnetic strip that goes over it. And voila, you're done. 10 seconds to help improve the longevity of your system. So definitely something you want to take advantage of. If you can't get to the store to get your filters, you can always have a delivery service deliver them on a regular interval, which is what we do. Even though my husband is an HVAC technician and master technician, I get them delivered. Don't tell him. And I take care of actually changing the filter regularly. It's in my regular schedule. So that's your pro tip. Get your service at least once a year on your furnace. Change your filters regularly. And stay tuned for more tips with Maintenance with Mel.